How to get $60 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you Uber Eats promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. If you're just looking for the coupon code, you can click on this option of coupon code. Now in this page, you're gonna find only coupon codes. $15 coupon code, 75% coupon code, 50% coupon code, and many more. Just scroll and check. You'll also find $60 Uber Eats coupon code. You just have to scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the code and want to use it, all you have to do is click on this option of view coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Uber Eats, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, visit Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code. With that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Also try out other offers. Also, you can try out these websites as these websites will also provide you working Uber Eats promo codes. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $60 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.